Good morning from Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie, and that's Steve. Say hey, Steve. Today he is preparing our lemon tree for the winter. He built this frame out of, what are they? What kind of wood?
It was 2x4s I ripped down to 2x2s.
2x4s ripped down to 2x2s.
And it is treated material, ground contact.
And it's treated material, ground contact. We're here in zone 8B, and by covering the lemon tree with the plastic, they survived the winter. Otherwise, they wouldn't. And I'm going to give you a little close-up of the lemons. We believe this is a Myers lemon tree, and it is loaded with lemons. We're in the month of November. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for joining us today. And if you would, please like and subscribe to our channel, Steve's Homestead Workshop. Thank you.